Guys, I can't tell you how amazing this product is. It was so cheap. It's had such an effect on me. And I'm talking about my mood. I'm talking about how I feel throughout the whole day. It's literally as simple as just putting a mouth tape before you go to bed. You wouldn't think it would have such an effect and so many benefits, but it really does. You wake up and your mouth isn't dry or you don't have bad breath. And you also don't snore. If you have a partner and they wake up in the morning, they're just going to be happier. They're going to be more grateful. I got this for a couple pounds off TikTok shop. I think it's a massive investment. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've put the link just there.